Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Time. Today from the electricity chapter we are going to discuss two textual questions. In that first one is a piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then the ratio of R and R dash is 4 options are there, 1 by 25, 1 by 5 and 5 and 25. So what is the meaning of this question? A piece of wire, suppose this is a wire and its resistance is R and this is cut into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are there. So these parts are connected in parallel. Now what they do, they connect each part like this, 3, 4, 5 and these are connected in the parallel connection to the battery. That is R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. So its resistance is, when they are not cut, then the required resistance is R. Then after you cut parts, the total resistance, equivalent resistance is combination is R. When they are connected in the combination, parallel combination, the equivalent resistance is R dash. So you have to find the R upon R dash. So what is the ratio here? So how to calculate? So when its resistance is total R, then when it is connected into equal parts divided, so then the resistance of each part will be R by 5. This is R by 5. So R1 is R by 5, R2 is R by 5, like this. Why 5? Because this R is divided into 5 parts. So the resistance of each part will be R by 5. So you have to find R. So what is given? First resistance of the wire is equal to it is R. Then resistance of each wire, each part of the wire. Resistance of each part of wire. What is that? R by 5. So this is 1. So how many parts are there? Parallel 5 parts are there. So what is the formula for the combination, parallel combination? That is 1 by, it is given, the equivalent resistance is R dash. So 1 by R dash equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Now what is R1 here? R1 is R by 5. So substitute R by 5 plus 1 by R2 is again R by 5. Like this you substitute for each resistance. 1 by R by 5 plus 1 by R by 5. So when we simplify, what happens? This in the denominator, 5 is again in the denominator. So when you simplify, this 5 goes to the numerator. That it will become 5 by R. This will also become 5 by R. 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R. Next is simplification. So LCM is R, denominator is same. So you add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is 5, 5, 5, 5. This will be 25 plus R. So what is this? 1 by R dash, equivalent resistance is equal to 25 by R. So what is the question here? R by R dash. So you bring R to the cross multiply, R to the numerator. That is R by R dash equal to 25. So which is the option is 25? Fourth option is 25. So this is the fourth option, 25 is the answer. And next question, second question from the textbook is, which of the terms does not represent the electrical power in the circuit? So how will you define power? Power is the amount of current consumed in per unit time. So what is the formula here? Question is, which of the terms does not represent the electrical power in the circuit? There is a formula, P equal to V into I. So which is not included in this 4 formula. So how to find the power? The formula for P is equal to V into I. Now by Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So this is VI, this is present as a third option, so this is not the answer. You have to find does not represent for the power formula. V equal to IR. So V is equal to IR means I equal to V equal to IR. So substitute IR in the V here. So what you will get? IR into I, that is I into I square R. So P can be written also I square into R. So see I square into R. So this is also correct for the power formula. Next one is I remaining. So what is the I? I is equal to, again see V equal to IR, I equal to V by R by the Ohm's law. So substitute I again here in the formula, that is P equal to VI. So V into I is V by R. So V by R. So V square by R. So P equal to V square by R. So V square by is here is the formula. So three formulas represent the P equal to V square R, I square R and IR. So the only which does not represent the power is IR square. So this is the answer. B is the answer. This does not represent the formula for the electrical power in the circuit. And next one, the third question is, and an electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volt, then the power consumed will be. So what is the meaning of this question? An electric bulb is there. It is rated means its voltage. Voltage is 220 volt and power is 100 watt. And when it is operated on 110 volt, so instead of 220 volt, it is reduced to the 110 volt. And so what you have to find the power. So what is the power, means watt, when it is reduced to 220 to 110. So the power consumed will be 100 watt, 75 watt, 50 watt and 25 watt. So how to find the answer here? So first one is what is given, you have to write V equal to 220, then power consumed will be 100 watt. So when it is reduced to the V is 100 reduced to 110 volt, we have to find power. So what is the formula for power? P equal to VI. So see here, P equal to I square R, one is, and P equal to V square by R. We will use this formula, that is P equal to V square by R. So how will you get? P equal to VI, I equal to V by R by the Ohm's law. So V square by R. So resistance remains for the wire. Electric bulb means there will be wire there. So the resistance of the wire will not change when according to the voltage and the current. So resistance remains constant here. So we will use the formula P equal to V square by R. So for this P we have to find, V we know 110, but we don't know the resistance. So this resistance we will find by this given data. So what is the formula? Formula is P equal to V square by R. P equal to how much? 110. V is 220 into 220 divided by R. So R equal to 220 into 220 divided by 110. So this will get cancelled here. Now, sorry, it is 100. Resistance P is 100, not 110, 100. So this 0 get cancelled, 0 get cancelled. 22 into 22, how much you will get? It will be 484 ohm. R is measured in the ohms. So the resistance of the electric bulb wire, How much it is? 484 ohms. So this resistance remains same even when the voltage is reduced. So when voltage is reduced and resistance is 484 ohm, we have to calculate the power consumption. Again we will use the formula, that is P equal to V square by R. So power equal to V is how much? Now it is reduced, 110 into 110, and resistance is 484. So now simplify. 11 4s are 44, 4 remaining, 11 4s are 44, then 11 1s are 0, 11, then next is 11 4s are 44, 11 1s are 0, then 10 into 10, 100, that is 100 by, in the denominator 4. So 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are. So what is the P? P equal to 25 watt. So here is which option is 25? So D option is the right answer. So these are the 3 questions from the NCERT textbook. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.